In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Runway ML, a powerful tool for AI-assisted image and video generation. First, let's start by signing in. You'll need to go to the Runway AI sign-in page. Once there, you simply have to enter your login details to access your account. Runway integrates smoothly with Google, so if you prefer, you can use your Google account for a quick and secure login process. It's really convenient and saves you the hassle of creating a separate account if you already have a Google profile. After signing in, you'll see your dashboard. One of the first things you might want to do is personalize your workspace. By clicking the three dots next to your project title, you can change the project's name. This is helpful to keep things organized and ensure your projects are easy to find. Additionally, you can also change the save location of your files. This ensures that your work is saved exactly where you want it, giving you greater control over your project management. Now let's explore the features Runway ML has to offer. This platform includes a chat feature that allows you to generate content through AI chat prompts. It's an intuitive way to leverage AI capabilities to assist with your projects. You simply type in the ideas you want to explore, and the AI will help generate creative outputs. This feature can be incredibly efficient, especially if you're looking to brainstorm or gather fresh inspiration quickly. Runway ML is equipped with an impressive suite of tools that enable you to upload videos or images and enhance them using AI-driven prompts. The interface is designed to facilitate easy navigation, allowing you to access these tools effortlessly. Here you can also add specific prompts, giving you the flexibility to customize and augment your content as needed. You'll find an area labeled Apps where you can browse multiple supporting apps to aid your project. This section opens up new avenues for creativity, providing a range of applications that can enhance the functionality and creativity of your work. Whether you're refining visual elements or experimenting with innovative styles, these apps can truly amplify what you're working on. For those looking to add structured creativity to their projects, Runway offers a feature called Workflows. By clicking on Workflows, you can incorporate new layers of creativity into your work, making it an invaluable resource for dynamic and multifaceted projects. Workflows allow you to streamline and automate various parts of your creative process, improving efficiency and output quality. Finally, whenever you're ready to begin another venture within Runway ML, you can create a new session. Simply click on New Session to start a fresh project. This not only keeps your work organized, but also ensures each project remains distinct and easily manageable. And there you have it. With these steps, you can make the most out of Runway ML's suite of tools. Whether you're refining existing projects or embarking on new creative journeys, this platform provides everything you need to push the boundaries of digital creativity.